morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, as you people know, you have already received the video of a chubby little snowman poem. So now you all can open page number 12 in your textbook. Page number 12, and the name of the poem is A Chubby Little Snowman. Poem 9. A chubby little snowman. So here children, today we are going to revise the poem first. Okay. So a chubby little snowman. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch. So, this was the poem. Yes, there was a snowman, and the snowman was having a big nose. And the nose was carrot nose. The nose was looking like a carrot nose. Along came the rabbit, and there was one rabbit. One rabbit came there, and what it did? And what do you think? Suppose. So what did that rabbit might have done after seeing the carrot nose on snowman's face? A hungry little rabbit looking for his lunch. That rabbit was in search of the food. So, as soon as that rabbit saw a carrot nose on the snowman's face, then what it did? It ate the snowman's carrot nose. It took the carrot from the snowman's face and it started eating it. Nibble, nibble, crunch. It started eating and it was making a crunch, crunch, crunch. Started eating the carrot nose. So here children, yesterday I had given you the activity. Let's answer which vegetable did the bunny have for his crunch. Draw and color it. Down also, write down the names of these vegetables, the present vegetables here. Here you have to draw the picture of the carrot, and then write the name of the carrot. And here write down the names of these vegetables, the vegetables which are present here. You have to draw all these vegetables, and down you have to write the names of the vegetables. So today we are back with the grammar part behind the lesson, that is page number 13 in your textbooks. Page number 13. So this is word fun. Yes, what is this? Word fun. So this will be the third main, because you will receive the question answers and question answers. So this will be the second main. This is word fun. Down. Take away the first letter from each word. Take away the first letter from each word in column A. In column A. make a new word, to make a new word, to make a new word. Find the picture of the new word. Find the picture of the new word in column B. Yes, this activity is very interesting, children. So here first we have to write A and B column. First we will write A and here B, and this will be the next part of the. So now see there, you can see many pictures are given here. See actually. This side there is a chair, train, bread, and then stable, wheel, and then swing. And here are the pictures, that is table, birds, wings, and then heel, hair, rain, and then the boy is reading a book. Now here they will give some of the pictures. Here they will give some of the pictures, and then we have to find out the name. So just I will draw the pictures now, children. So here first one. So here children, you can see that I have drawn some of the pictures on the board. Now we have to write the names from the A group to the B group. Here. Yes. So here you can see, children, what is the first picture? You can see here. The first picture is what here? Chair. So what is the spelling of chair? C-H-A-I-R, chair. So the next picture. What is the next picture here? Train. T-R-A-I-N, train. So here, this is what? Bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Then this is the stable of the horse. Here are the horses in the stable. Okay. And next, this is what? Wheel. Wheel, and last is swing. Jokali ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ? Swing ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Now children, once again you read the heading. What is given? Take away the first letter from each word in column A. To make a new word, find the picture of the new word in column B. So now here we have to find the new word in column B. So here you can see, children, the first word, if I remove C, chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ C ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ? H-A-I-R, hair. So where are the hairs? Here you can see hairs, H-A-I-R, hair. Yes or no? Now second picture. Here train. If I remove T, T na ನಾನು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? R-A-I-N, rain. Here you can see rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Yes or no? Now B-R-E-D, bread. You eat the bread with the tea, milk, coffee. Yes or no? If I remove B, then what is the next word? R-E-A-D, read. What the boy R-E-A-D, read. Yes. Now, this is the stable of the horse. Yes, this is the stable of the horse. If I remove S from here, then T-A-B-L-E, table. So, I have to write this T-A-B-L-E, table. This is the picture of the table. Next, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. If I remove W, H-E-E-L, heel. Heel andre ಏನು? This is called the heel. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Heel. This part. This is called as what? Heel. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Next. Now, S-W-I-N-G, swing. If I remove this, then these are called what? Wings. Wing. What is this called? Wing. This and this. It's very important. Yes? S-W-I-N-G, swing. If I remove this swing, if I remove S, then this is called W-I-N-G, wing. So, this was the activity that I have done. The same way only you have to write in your notebooks. The same way you have to write in your notebooks also. Now coming to the next part of this activity. So yeah, the next is capital letters. A sentence always begins with the capital letter. Maybe it's your name begins with the capital letter, your surname begins with the capital letter, names of places also begins with the capital letter. Whatever you write, the name of your place, the name of your surname, everything, the first letter should be capital. What it should be? The first letter should be capital. So here, write the words which have been written correctly. Write the words which have been written correctly. So see here, first word, this is third main. Write the words, which have been written correctly. So here, first one they are given what there? So here are some of the names. Now children, what we have to do, which is the correct one, we have to put the tick mark. See, this is Neena Sharma, the name of the girl, but N is small. Sharma, S is also small. Name and surname both are written in the small letters. So that is not correct. Adu correct alla. India, I is capital because it is name of our country. Word India. So I is capital. Swati, name of the girl. S is capital. So this is correct. Peter, P is small here. Is it correct? No. Why? Because it is name of a boy and that should be written with the capital letter. So this is not correct. Varun. Varun is also a name of the boy. Varun is also the name of a boy, but V is small, so it is not correct. Gauri, G is capital, then you have to write it right. London, name of the foreign country. This is yes or no? L is capital, country name, so correct. Mumbai, Maharashtra, Mumbai, M is capital, so it is correct. Ali, name of a boy, correct. A is capital. Jawaharlal Nehru, J is small, but N is capital, so this is not correct. This was the activity that you have to write in your notebook. Here down you can see children, one activity they have given to you people. I will show here. Page number 13 in your textbook. That is down. Write your name, write your mother's name, write your father's name. So see, they have given names there. You have to write the names. Yes, write your name, write your mother's name and write your father's name. So, what you people have to do? After completing all this activity, you have to write the names. That is, I will write on the board here. So here. So next is fourth name. Write about yourself. Write about yourself. This is given in short. I will make it little bigger. First question. Write your name. Second one. Write your surname. Write your mother's name. Third one, write your father's name. Write your father's name. This is one. Yes, then next I will tell you. Write your surname. Write your surname. Then next, write how old are you. Write your school name. Write in which class are you studying? So here this is activity children, homework, activity. This is the activity. You can take any different shape. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಬೇರೆ shape ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ A4 size ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಶೀಟ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯಾಗಿ you can use the stylish handwriting with the help of your parents and do this activity and send me the photocopy of this activity. Last time also ನಾನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ kite. I had said the kite activity for you people after completing the first poem Sticky Licky. But only one girl has sent me the activity. Only one girl. ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಳೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. So you have to compulsory do the activities because we are giving marks for the activities also. ಯಾರು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. If you don't send the activities, then there will be no marks for you people. Okay children, so remember your fair book should be complete, activities should be done. Whatever activity is given, how you know, like that only you can do, no problem. Whatever you know you have to do, but activity should be done. It's compulsory for all the students. Okay children, then you complete this all the things. First one, what you have to write, what is your name? Nim hesaru. First letter begins with the capital letter. Write your mother's name, write your father's name, and then you have to write your mummy name, and then you have to write your papa name. That is, mummy is mother, papa is father. Yes or no? You have to write both the names. First letter should be what? Capital. Then next, write your surname. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ನೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ರೈಟ್ ಹೌ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಯು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸು ಇವಾಗ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಏಜ್ ಅದ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಏಜ್. Write your school name. What is your school name? Sai Niketan Central School. Yes or no? CBSE. So you have to write the full name. The first letter when you are writing the school name, the first letter should be capital in each word. Next, write in which class are you studying. In which class? Sorry, I have not mentioned the class here. In which class are you studying? Now you are studying in first standard. So these all things should be present. All the 7 sentences should be present in the activity that you people do. Okay children? So have a good day, and I will be in front of you with the new video. Thank you children. Have a good day.